Hi everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Facebook not working on Chrome. To know how to fix or how to solve Facebook not working on Chrome, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Facebook and you will enter. Then in this page here, you will go to click force stop. After that, in this page, you will click storage. Then in this page, as you see, we click clear cache. After that, you will go to click clear data. And then you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.